Hi there, and welcome to Tech Lighten Me. In this video, I want to show you how to turn off OneDrive in Windows 11. OneDrive is normally pre-installed in Windows 11 and also starts up automatically, which can be a pain for some people. In this video, I'll show you a few methods you can use to turn off OneDrive and ultimately uninstall it as well. The first thing to check is if OneDrive is currently running. You can do that by checking if you see this OneDrive icon in the system tray. If you have it, just click on it. It should open a window that looks similar to this. Next, just click on this gear icon to open the settings. You should have the option to quit OneDrive. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted if you're sure that you want to close it. Just go ahead and click on Quit OneDrive to continue. Next, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Once it's open, navigate to the Startup tab here. You should have a OneDrive option here, and as you can see, it's enabled. That will cause OneDrive to start up automatically every time I start my computer. To stop that from happening, just select it and then click on Disable here. That will stop OneDrive from running on startup and effectively turn it off as well. If you want to go one step further and remove OneDrive altogether, follow these steps. Right-click on the Start button and select Installed Apps. On the list of installed apps, find Microsoft OneDrive. Click on the ellipses menu next to it and then go ahead and uninstall it by clicking on Uninstall. It should uninstall without any issues, and then you won't have OneDrive bothering you on Windows 11 anymore. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.